In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Teams status to always available. To get started, open your Microsoft Teams account and make sure you're signed in. Once Teams is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is where you can access your current presence status and update it if needed. Click your profile icon and a small drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll be able to see your current status. If it isn't already set to available, click on the status area and choose available from the list. This tells Teams to show others that you're active and ready to chat or collaborate. Now, it's important to understand one key detail here. Setting your status to available does not permanently override Teams behavior. If your computer goes idle, sleeps, or locks. If your device becomes inactive, Teams may automatically change your status based on that inactivity. So if you want to stay available for longer, make sure your device stays awake. In practical terms, that means preventing your computer from going to sleep or locking too quickly while you're working. Next, if you want to give people more context, you can also set a status message. Go back to your profile menu and click Set Status Message. A text field will open where you can type a short message. This can be useful if you want teammates to know you're working, reachable, or focusing on certain tasks while still appearing available. Under that message field, you'll see an option labeled Clear Status Message After. Click the drop-down and choose how long you want that status message to remain visible. Your options include never, today, 1 hour, 4 hours, or this week. Pick the timing that makes the most sense for your situation. Once you've entered your message and selected when it should be cleared, click Done to save it. At that point, your Teams status will be set to available, and your custom status message will also be active for the amount of time you selected. That's all there is to it. Just remember that your visible availability in Microsoft Teams depends not only on the status you choose, but also on whether your device remains active. If you keep that in mind, you'll have a much better chance of staying shown as available for longer.